Hello Paralas, this is your Paralat Mr. Rajput and welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I would like to thank a lot you guys because you guys have shown amazing support to my previous video, and therefore I'm back with the second part of that video. And I hope you will like this video and you will show support to this video as much as you shown in the previous one. And before we starting the video, if you are new and then please subscribe to this channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram to enjoy Harry Potter memes. Link is in the description. And guys, also if you want iconic merchandise of Harry Potter, then you can shop whatever you want about Harry Potter goodies, clothes, hoodies, bags and everything related to Harry Potter franchise. And if you want to buy something, link is in the description. Just click on the link and you will be redirected to the website. And now without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 1. Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. If you are looking for a non-traditional fantasy movie that still has a touch of magic, director Tim Burton's Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children is your go-to. The story follows a group of special individuals born with magical abilities, both children and adults, who live at a secret place and hunt monsters. However, the secret place is hidden in a time loop and hence protected from the outside world. Although it also prevents the aging of the residents, the protagonist, Jack Portman, played by Asa Butterfield, learns to hone his skills under Miss Peregrine's, played by Eva Green, who is a strict but kind-hearted head of the children's home. Potterheads will fall in love with the story as it produces Dumbledore's love for his students, while providing the viewers with one hell of the magical ride. Number 2. Mr. McGorium's Wonder Emporium. What if you could buy all the magical items you want from a shop just across the street? Mr. McGorium's Wonder Emporium is a classic light-hearted magical based movie with the underlying concept: you can be whatever you wish to be. The movie revolves around a sentient, supernatural toy shop that is filled with various antique-looking toys from the wizarding world. All seems to be well until one day Mr. McGorium's, a 243-year-old wizard and also the owner of the toy shop, decided to leave. He names his protege, a young pianist named Molly Mahoney, as his successor through various hilarious mishaps throughout her journey. Molly learns to believe in herself and finally accept her role as the owner of the magical toy shop. Maybe Mr. McGorium's Wonder Emporium is a stowaway shop from Diagonal Alley. One can only imagine. Number 3. Abigail. What if Harry had failed to defeat Voldemort at the end of the Deathly Hallows Part 2? What would happen to the world if the Dark Lord's force has taken over? The theory is partly tested in the Russian feature film Abigail, set in a grim apocalyptic scenario where forces of the dark have prevailed and rule the world. Abigail struggles to survive while keeping her identity hidden. The Dark Wizards have eliminated all the Magi, or magical users, other than their followers, the ruler of the Muggles with an iron hand. Abigail discovers she has a magical powers and is wanted by the evil government, who seek to remove any threat whatsoever to their absolute region. A must-watch for Potter fans who wish to explore what-if scenarios in the Wizarding universe. Number 4. The House with the Clock in Its Walls. The House with the Clock in Its Walls is a fantasy comedy film that closely resembles Harry Potter in terms of the protagonist's origin. After his parents are killed in a car crash in 1955, 10-year-old Lewis Bornwelt moves to live with his uncle Jonathan in Michigan. Jonathan is secretly a warlock. Along with his friends, Florence, who is a witch, is trying to prevent a world-ending scenario by trying to find a clock that has been mysteriously hidden inside the house by an evil warlock, who was also the previous owner of the house. After he discovered the truth, young Lewis teaches himself magic and aids his uncle to fight against the forces of the dark, which he accidentally resurrects while trying to impress his friend on Halloween. No wonder Hogwarts had a strict no magic out of school policy. Number 5. The Kid Who Would Be a King. Another fantasy pulled straight from Arthurian legend, The Kid Who Would Be a King brings the classic struggle between a fabled wizard Merlin and witch Morgana to the silver screen. However, the story is set in modern times and the role of Arthur is played by the 12-year-old boy Alex, who accidentally finds the mythical sword Excalibur. Merlin de-ages himself to enlist Alex's help to fight off Morgana, who he fears might one day rise from the grave to imprison and rule all of England. Throughout his journey, Alex tries to do the right thing while also discovering mysteries about out his best. Alex defeated Morgana and her forces at the end of the movie with help of all his classmates, much like Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1 and 2. However, what makes the movie special is the fact, unlike Harry Potter, Alex is not destined for greatness, he earns it by merit, the only way one can own Excalibur. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. So these were the 5 films that would give you a reminder of Harry Potter movie. I hope you like this video, and if you like, then please like and also subscribe this channel if you are new here. And once I will get my monetization back, I will start posting meme of Harry Potter regularly, so please be with me. So Potterhead, show your support and keep sharing my videos, and if you are new here, then please subscribe. And you can also enjoy all Harry Potter memes on my Instagram account, so you can follow me on Instagram if you want to enjoy the Harry Potter memes. Link is in the description. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and goodbye, and stay away from the muggles.